Hi everyone, good morning. Today you're going to be using this website, Seismic Explorer, to look at some of the geological features of plate boundaries. This website allows you to see different information that you can turn on and off, plus a couple other features. I'm going to walk you through how to use it. Over here on the left is the zoom feature, and this globe resets the map. Over here on the right is the key button. Shows you the magnitude of the earthquake and the depth. Down here at the bottom is a timeline that shows you when the earthquakes happen that you're looking at. If you press play, the earthquakes will start to appear all over the map. You can use these arrows to limit the time range that you want to look at. Down at the bottom left, you can change the map type. I recommend using the relief map over here on the bottom. It helps you to see what is going on the ocean floor. This data type button allows you to change and look at different data. You could turn on volcanoes. You can turn on plate boundaries, plate names, and plate movement as well. You can even turn on continent and ocean names if that's helpful. Most of the time, you're going to be using earthquakes and volcanoes though. Down here, the magnitude slider allows you to eliminate very, very small earthquakes or very large earthquakes, just to look at the size earthquakes you're interested in. One last thing to show you. I'm going to zoom in right up here to Central America. And I'm going to use this draw cross-section line. I'm going to draw a line across the map and hit Open in 3D View. That takes the map that I was just looking at and transforms it so that instead of just looking at the earthquakes from the top, I can see where they were from the side. I can turn it, look at it from the bottom, look at it from one side, another side, and all around, kind of get an idea of where the earthquakes happened. Once again, the key might be useful when looking at the earthquakes. The size of the circle shows the magnitude of the earthquake and the color, the depth. I can see there's a couple of volcanoes right here along the way. To go back to the two-dimensional map, you simply click Go Back Two-Dimensional Map. From here I can cancel out and my line is gone. You'll have to do that a couple of times while you're answering these questions. I've left you about 20 questions to answer. They will probably take most of today and part of tomorrow to complete the work if you are focusing on your work during class. Please take a good good care to make sure you answer everything completely and accurately, I will check this on Monday upon my return. Please remember, Monday we will be setting up our science fair posters in the small gym, so please make sure to bring them, as this is the only day you'll have to do that. Otherwise, if you have any questions, please email me or try to work it out with your partner, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a nice weekend.